Headed to Ocracoke this morning. Yeah, looks like I need to get going. I probably should change. Ooh, that's better. Hey, can you unlock my truck? Yeah, my keys are right there. Big day. Got a radio interview today and also have to set up for this show. So, wish me luck. So we're on the ferry now, headed to Ocracoke, and Julie's reading, and I think I'm going to spend this time. It's like a over a 2 hour ferry ride, which can sometimes be really nice, but most of the time it's pretty rough in Pamlico Sound. So anyway, I'm going to take this time to edit some footage, so I will see you in Ocracoke. So this is the Ocracoke Lighthouse. I always love coming to visit here. It's pretty peaceful, and there's some really nice cats sometimes. Like, not people, but actual cats.
Free socks.
I'm here, this is Pete Vankovich, is what's happening on Ocracoke. A little bit of a delay here because of the Cedar Island Ferry with Casey Arthur. So welcome to WOVV.
Well, I really appreciate you having me.
Well, part of Ocracoke's appeal to a lot of people, like our Ocracoke Festival, music-wise, is it will never be this stuff.
Well, that's the appeal to it, you know. That's how I've come to really love Ocracoke. It's small venue type people. I mean, it's almost, if you go to a concert and you're there with 20,000 other people, it's just really not the same as an intimate concert with 300 people. You know, that's how I feel about Ocracoke. It's a very intimate setting, and it's got a lot of charm. That's really what I love about it. It puts people in a different mood too. You know, everybody's kind of in a good mood, and so yes, it won't ever be, like you're saying, the Woodstock of waterfowl festivals, but I think it's just going to be a great festival because of the fact that it will be that intimate setting.
So what can people expect tomorrow?
I mean, I think, you know, Well, for me personally, I'm going to be carving. So I'm going to be carving with, I do everything with hand tools, and I'll be carving tomorrow during the festival. As much as I can, you know, if somebody stops and wants to talk or ask some questions or whatever, then I'm totally open to that. It's not like I can't get up and, you know, answer some questions or whatever. I'll be selling a few decoys, as well as a ton of other vendors that'll be selling decoys. There'll be some great old decoys, there'll be some great contemporary decoys. Just a wealth of things to see. Yeah, I really think that it's going to be a great show. It's come together much better than what I even expected for a first annual show.
Yeah. This will be at the Ocracoke School on School Road, and it's from 9 till 5 or 6.
9 to 6.
9 to 6 p.m. So it's an all-day affair. Good. All right. Well, thanks so much.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, how'd
Awesome.
that go? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was fun.
I just find just keep them nice and cool.
Yeah.
That's why you have that nice little chat beforehand, you know.
All right, Peter.
All
Thanks
right.
a lot.
All right.
I appreciate it.
You got one more
Okay.
to show you. I got one more photo session for you.
Okay.
To get the logo.
All right.
Good. All right, Casey.
Marty, what'd you do? Come in on the boat? Hey, are you froze?
You know, I will say I'm very cold.
Well, the radio interview went great. The festival went even better. We went out, we had some food with friends, we had a good time. It was very relaxing. I can't say the same about the next morning. Okay, so we've got like 4 minutes to check out of this hotel, and Julie's upset with me. But that's okay, because I'm gonna make it happen. Here. Alright, you guys, if you're ever in Ocracoke, come see Sue and David over at Roxy's Antiques. Okay?
Come on now.
So Jolie and I have had a great time in Ocracoke, had a good time at the Ocracoke Decoy Festival, first annual, making history. And that's pretty much it. Went around, had some good food. I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here.